Guys, there's been an invasion and we're being attacked by these alien creatures. And if you don't know what alien creatures, it's the ones I have behind us. They are loud and they hurt your eardrums. They're also known as cicadas, but you can call them aliens too. So, you hear how loud he is? He's really loud right now. This is what they do, is they get in their shell. See, this doesn't have nothing in it. This right here is just the shell. They originally look like that, no wings or nothing. And then they come out of their shell, and they're white. But then they fully evolve into this. And they make that clicking sound. Okay guys, right in front of me we have the cicada holes. So pretty much, this is where they come. They've been in the ground for 17 years, which is kind of a lot of years. So they come out of these holes after 17 years. They might have came out before, but they come out looking like this. You'll see a bunch of shells and stuff on the ground around you. And they look like this. This is what they look like when they come out, like I said. So they'll come out, climb up on a tree or something, and they'll evolve. Here's the stages of the cicadas. They start off in the shell. You don't see wings or anything. They're just like this pinchy thing. Then they go into a white one. This is this one trying to leave. See, it's still got its shell on, so it still has that on it, except it's trying to get it off. So that's why it's white. And this is the fully evolved version. So you got 1, 2, 3. And that's what they end up looking like. Okay guys, here's my friend I caught. He is the biggest cicada I've ever seen. So I put him on this plant. I found him over here. It's my new parrot. You ate him! That's my parrot. You ate my parrot. Stuff on peaches. Hey. It's okay, buddy. I ain't gonna hurt you. I just want to give you a friend. Guys are right here. Sorry you can hear the cicadas they're probably super loud. But right here is the stage where they're coming out of their shell, but they're not all the way out, so they're white. And after this, when he gets out of his shell, he'll grow wings and change his color to look like that. So this is what they look like coming out of the shell. Peaches, stop moving the camera. Hey, stop. Ow. You want to know her personal opinion is her and Bella likes to eat them. That's their opinion. Guys, these are all the shells. There might be a few ones that have just fallen off. But like I said, these are all shells. So all these once had the little critters in them. And they crawl up this big tree. And then in the wind and all this, these have probably been on this tree for a while, so they all fell off. So you have piles of shells. If you want a comparison how much there is, there's my boot, and there's that. Go all the way over there and into the tree. You guys want my personal opinion on them? I just think they're kind of noisy and kind of annoying, and they're kind of crawling. I don't really like bugs. I mean, they crawl on you a lot, and I don't like it when they're in your hair. That's the worst. So they're just pretty much annoying. And they're 17-year-olds, so you better watch out, because they're going to punch you. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button and turn on all notification bells, and you can tell when I post. And if you hit it, you'll kill a cicada. Boom. That's how you kill a cicada. Another thing I'd like to say is that birds love eating these. And when I mean love them, they're like Oreos to them. They fly around and just constantly eat them, and so does Peaches and Bella. I just looked up for 1 second and Peaches and Bella are eating all the cicadas. Bella, those aren't good for you. Oh, they just ate the white one that's coming out of their shell. Bella, no! Why would you do that? I know she ate it because they don't move until they are like out. Ay. And there's a bunch more cicada shells. Well, okay guys, that's the news report for the cicada invasion. Watch out on your trees. They might fly on you. They don't hurt, but they're annoying. And watch out for your eardrums, most importantly. Like and subscribe. Carson goes to the like button and hits it. See you guys. Thanks for all the support.